Have you ever driven anything before?
No.
Hey, I'm Casey from Genius Garage, and about 1 year ago now, a gentleman asked if he could bring his 2 young boys by to check out our race cars. Of course, I said yes, and before they went, I asked the 2 sons if they would like to do some drawings with our automotive design stuff. Well, the one was pretty good, and I said to the dad, if you'd like to bring your son by occasionally, I'd be happy to mentor him on design. Well, that escalated, and he got better, so I said to the dad, I think maybe it's time your son got hands-on. Let's do a mechanical project. And that turned into probably the coolest go-kart ever designed, which is Gene Lynn's 6-wheeled Tyrrell Formula 1 car inspired kart. Here's the story.
I'm Gene Lynn, and this is my 2011 Toyota Camry.
What are you gonna do with it?
Crash.
Have you ever driven anything before?
No.
Do you have any idea where you are or what you're doing?
No.
Not a... Why are you a hamster?
Because I'm small and stupid.
Self-confidence. Pass it on. Self-esteem.
You know, for a hamster, you've got a big entourage. What's with all these people?
They're losers. They're following another loser.
Wait, is this video need to be serious?
Show us your helmet.
It's gonna be covered in mud by the end of the day.
Why?
I'm gonna crash so many times.
You know what? It's grass out there. Why do you have a mirrored visor?
Because I'm cool.
We forgot the nitros.
Oh yeah.
So kind
We
of.
should go home.
Alright.
I'm not gonna edit. I'm just gonna let people watch all this. Who are you? What are you doing? What's this?
I'm Gene Lynn, and I'll be racing this Carter Bros go-kart, inspired by the Tyrrell P34.
Correct.
With 6 wheels and the 3-wheel drive.
Are you excited?
Engine. Yes.
Why are you excited?
Well, it's a go-kart with 6 wheels.
Let's go. How do you feel? All right, it's all you now, okay? Lights down. Stop running. You'll have to push it now.
Perfect spot because it's farthest away.
Yeah, exactly. Exactly furthest away. What do you have to say for yourself, Hamster?
It's great, yeah. It's nothing fine. I just wanted to stop. The view is nice.
Yeah.
And here, I just thought you were driving weird. All right, let's go, prima donna. Gene forgot to turn the fuel on.
Oh, we've done that. It's not as bad as putting a boat in the water
also.
Driver interview, come here. Tell them what's going on.
Feels great. It helps, yeah. It helps with the fuel on.
Okay,
So,
how did it steer?
it's responsive, it's good.
Was there anything rattling or making funny noises or anything loose feeling?
The entire car was
Oh, the whole thing was rattling,
Yeah.
huh? Okay, so is it a good rattle or a bad rattle?
I think it's a good one.
Is that kind of top speed what you're doing?
Ready?
Yeah, I think acceleration is really good though.
Okay, well were you holding it full throttle down the back straightaway?
Yeah.
Other than checking out the go-kart, you're ready to just go out again sometime?
Alright, yeah.
Okay. Is there anything you want to change or you want to talk about or worries you?
No, I think I'll just try to drive faster.
You have to go slower. That's slower. Take it slower, but then hit it faster. You get
How's that?
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with it?
No, I think it's good.
You having fun?
Yeah.
The kid spun out there. How come you didn't spin out?
I'm good.
What's up, Gene?
I have to get a little bit sideways.
in this car?
Straight. Yeah.
Coming onto the straightaway or at the end?
Coming on the straightaway just a little
That's
bit.
okay. That's good.
I saw a little slide there.
You're already filthy.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta fix this car. Get ready. So the motor on this kart is the same as what Peyton and Isaac are driving. The difference is you're way lighter. So you know what that means, right? You should. But be smart. This is a whole new kart for you. Ready for your visor down? Okay. Just be smart and safe. Remember to keep your eyes open and stuff. 5% throttle. Oh, we didn't need that.
Yeah, I know.
Hamster, what's going on?
Broken, man.
What is that? Show him, show him.
It's part of the, what is it?
You know your drive
track? Yeah.
Why'd you break it?
Sorry.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
How's the handle?
Yeah. It's understeering more, but you know, it still handles fine.
Well, we got work to do.
Yeah.
Put some Ackerman, change the geometry.
Yeah.
All right. You want to give one of these little race karts a shot?
Alright, yeah.
What are you thinking? You nervous? It's faster. Yeah.
Alright.
All right. What do you guys say to these people? Say something cool.
Adios.